A blinking blue light on your Cox Panoramic Wi-Fi gateway indicates that WPS pairing mode is currently active. WPS stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup. This feature simplifies connecting devices to your wireless network without needing to manually enter the Wi-Fi password. When you press the WPS button, the router searches for WPS-enabled devices to connect. The blinking blue light is completely normal during this process. However, if the blue light continues blinking for more than a few minutes without actively connecting a device, this could indicate a potential issue that needs troubleshooting. Understanding what the blinking blue light means helps you determine whether your router is functioning normally or if further troubleshooting steps may be needed. When your Cox router's blue light continues blinking persistently, it indicates the WPS pairing mode hasn't completed properly. Here are the troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue. Step 1. Restart your router. This is the most common and effective solution for resolving persistent blue light issues. Step 2. Check for service outages in your area. Cox may be experiencing network issues that affect your router's connectivity. Step 3. Access your router's control panel to disable and then re-enable the WPS function. This can reset the WPS pairing mode. Step 4. Factory reset should only be performed as a last resort and only when instructed by Cox support. This will erase all your custom settings. Step 5. If none of these troubleshooting steps resolve the persistent blue light issue, contact Cox customer support for professional assistance and further diagnosis. These 5 troubleshooting steps should resolve most persistent blue light issues with your Cox router. Remember to try them in order, starting with the simple router restart before moving to more advanced solutions.